How to get 50% off Foot Locker coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Foot Locker coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the genuine website. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Foot Locker. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 20% off, $25 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code and click on Redeem at Foot Locker. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Foot Locker. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you amazing offers and deals for Foot Locker. So this way you can easily get up to 50% off working coupon code for Foot Locker. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.